Welcome back to another Socialive Quick Start Guide. In this video, we'll be embedding our Socialive Player into our Squarespace website. So inside Socialive, I'll click on the Socialive Player icon in the distribution section. Now from here, I'll engage my player, and you can see that I have broadcast title, but I'm going to click on the caret here and click edit. Now this will bring me back to Socialive's dashboard. You can also change your player name, your player description, but what we're really after is our embed code. So I'll go ahead and click copy to copy the embed code, and now I'll head over to Squarespace. Now I'm going to go ahead and create a new page and choose the blank option, but you can embed a video really on any of these pre-made layouts that Squarespace provides. So inside the page, I'll go ahead and click edit. Now from here, I'll click on embed. Now to the right, this little guy over here, will click here to embed the code ourselves. And this is where you want to embed the code that we got from Socialive's dashboard. So I'll go ahead and click set. And now you'll see that I have my player, it's showing my info. I'll click apply here, and this is a very basic page just for the video. I'll just add a quick text beneath it. Of course, you can customize your page however you like, but once I finish here, I'm going to go ahead and hit save. Now I'm going to head back over to Socialive. I'm going to go ahead and click done, and then I'll select Start Live Stream, and you'll see here that I'm now sending my thanks for watching card. Now let's head back over to my website. This time I'm going to view, instead of through Squarespace's backend where I edit my site, I'm going to go directly to my site and find the page that I labeled live. There's my live broadcast. And you'll see that I'm broadcasting on my site. This is a great idea for people who, sell things on their website directly. I mean, I know my page is very simple. If I had products surrounding the broadcast, it'd be a great way to help drive sales. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching this. If you have any questions, please visit us at socialive.us. And thanks for watching again. Happy broadcasting.